How to save a Facebook post as a draft on your Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save your post as a draft so that you can post it later on. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your post section from where you can easily upload your post. So let's say I just want to add some text for now. So if I want this message or post my particular post, whether it says image or emoji or whatever it has, or just plain text, if I want to post this later on or any free time when I get, so what I can do is I will just click on right button right before posting or clicking on this post button and just click on this save as draft, and just like that it will give me a notifications which says that your draft has been saved. So that is exactly how you can easily save your post as a draft on Facebook so that you can upload it on later on. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.